In this video, we're going to show you how to get all project management notifications from Plaky directly in Pumble. If you're looking to reduce platform switching, improve productivity, and allow users to track all project management notifications, this integration will help you a lot. Let's get started. First, ensure you have both workspaces, Pumble and Plaky. Then in Pumble, open the Apps tab in your sidebar and select the Plaky by Cake.com integration. Plaky is a native integration in your Pumble account, so you don't need any installation. Next, click on the Set Preferences here, or head over to Plaky Preferences in the top right corner, and in the Notifications tab, find the Pumble Notifications part. Here you can see the Pumble workspace you will receive notifications on, or choose a workspace if you have multiple. Then, enable the types of Plaky notifications you want to receive as Pumble messages. You can get subscription notifications like when you're subscribed to a board, item, sub-item, or team, when an item or sub-item you're subscribed to is changed, when someone writes a comment or reply on an item or sub-item you're the owner of, when someone writes a comment or reply on an item or sub-item you're subscribed to, when someone reacts to your comment or reply, when someone replies to your comment or replies to a conversation you're a part of, and when someone mentions you or your team in a comment or reply. All this boosts transparency and accountability, so your team spends less time chasing updates and more time doing real work. Connect Plaky and Pumble today and stay on top of time. Enjoy your Pumble integrations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you next time.